Hey guys, welcome back to another Papras Paradise. This episode, guys, I'm just going to be telling you about what you have missed since I haven't been doing it for a while. So, you know about Rose, he was in last episode. I just didn't show my animal last episode. And I've got lots of new babies, 4. We had 5, but 1 died. We lost Coraline, you might not know about that. The other day we lost one of our ginger fowls, and there'll be quite a few photos during this video, just of things that I want to show you, but not here. So guys, let's get into the video. So there's everybody. Thank you, Mum. Over there. Close the fur right now. So that girl is on the eggs, and there's also that one. She's also sitting on the eggs with her, and then this one there, she's on other eggs, and the other one is on the eggs right now. So yeah, that big boy, he's feisty right now. Yeah, look. Why is my lighting so bad today? I hear a baby, guys. I'm gonna go check and see if there is. We have 2 baby duckies! Yay! 3 actually, but the other one's squashed. Okay, guys, don't worry about this one. It should be fine if that chicken gets. Right. So they're my 4 chickens. 3 of the 4. There's the 4th one over there. That one's newer. Don't worry too much about that duck. It's really new, that means, if it's like this. Stop it! Yeah, but those other 2 ducks, they're looking good, don't you? I'll teach them to eat that soon. But yeah, hopefully, as long as... Alright. Yeah. Those 2 should be keeping that warm instead of that, but it's okay. That's my brothers! So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Finally, the light's back. Guys, those are my new babies. I still have to think of names. If you can think of names down below, please put it down. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.